Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to work offline in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your browser, then search Google Docs offline extension. Click Google Docs offline and add to Chrome. Add it extension. Add it. Then click Google Drive and click Settings. Find offline mode. Offline preview on. Offline preview turn on. Then you use smoothly Google Sheets, Google Docs, Slides, etc. Example, see this. Close the network and now see this work. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.